Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 16. I'm so happy we've made it this far together. We have already learned the past, the present and the future tense. Now we're going to learn the present perfect. We use this tense when we talk about something that actually started in the past, but it has consequences or results or kind of impact until now, until the present. Like yesterday, I lost my keys. I still don't have them, so I have lost my keys. Have you seen them? As you can hear, there is always have or has in a third person singular, plus the past participle. It's the third column of the verbs when you're learning the verbs like see, saw, seen, do, did, done. This is the third column. It's very often connected with words like so far, already, yet, since, for, and many others. If you compare this tense with the past, it's quite different. Past is the finished thing. This is a simple past tense. I saw him yesterday. Did you buy it last week? Where were you last night? This is finished. But the present perfect tense is unfinished. It's kind of opened tense. The translation to other languages is very often very similar to the past. Sometimes it is the present, but usually it sounds like the past. Have you seen George today? Has she sent the postcard? Have you been to Paris? Has she already sold her house? And of course, we also have the continuous tense. Present perfect continuous. This is have or has plus been plus the ing form of the verb. We use this tense when something started in the past, but it still continues until now. Like, I have been learning English for more than 20 years. She has been playing the piano since kindergarten. It has been raining for 3 days. Again, if you compare it with another tense, with the present continuous, this is different. The present continuous describes what is happening right now. Like, it's raining. I am learning English now. If you want to connect it with the past, you use the present perfect continuous. Like, I have been learning for 20 years. It has been raining for 3 days. There are a few tricky things with this tense that you have to remember, but it's quite easy. I'm sure you will handle it. With the verbs work and live, you can choose either present perfect simple or present perfect continuous. I have lived here for 10 years, or I have been living here for 10 years. I have worked in this company since October, or I have been working in this company since October. to in positive sentences, either or either in negative sentences, also and as well in both negative or positive sentences. I like it too. You too? Me too. I don't like it either. I also don't like it. I also like it. Do you also like it? I like it as well. I don't like it as well. Do you like it as well? Do has also a different meaning when you place it in front of the adjective. Then it means something like excessively. I'm too tired. It's too expensive. I'm too old for that. Then we have enough. In many phrases like I've had enough, or when you simply shout at someone, enough. But you can also use enough after an adjective, which means like adequately or something like this. You are old enough to do that. She is experienced enough. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye bye.